FLN7 to 5G Taishan installation video. First step, open the box. Use your utility knife to open the outer box. There are accessories box, pressure barrel, device. Second step, open the accessories box. Use the knife unpack the accessories box. There are stainless steel faucet, 1 roll of 7 mm diameter PE pipe, power adapter, stainless steel T adapter, accessories bag, and user manual. Third step, stainless steel T adapter installation. Tear off the plastic bag. Take the T adapter out. Be careful not to fall off the rubber gasket in the T adapter. Take out the Teflon tape. Wrap 15-20 turns of the tape on the T adapter to prevent water leakage. Close the water ball valve. Use a wrench to unscrew the braided hosing on the ball valve. Connect the T adapter to the ball valve and tighten with the wrench. The other end is connected to the dismantled braided hose. Tighten it and turn off the T adapter switch. And remove the blue clip. Fourth step, faucet installation. Take out the stainless steel faucet. Put in 3 gaskets accordingly. Then put the faucet in the pre-drilled hole. And fix the faucet with a screw cap from the bottom. Fifth step, the pressure barrel installation. Use a knife to unpack the box of the pressure barrel. Take it out. And wrap the Teflon tape around the upper water inlet for 10-12 times to prevent water leakage. Take out the pressure barrel ball valve from the accessory kit. Connect the ball valve to the pressure barrel and close the ball valve. Sixth step, the pipeline connection. Take out the device. There are 4 interfaces: tap water inlet, wastewater outlet, purified water outlet, pressure barrel interface. Remove the plugs of the 4 nozzles in turn. Take out the 4 adapter elbows from the accessory box, connect them to the 4 nozzles, and fix them with blue clips. Take out the PE pipe. Use a pipe cutter to cut the appropriate length. Connect one end to the water inlet, another end to the water inlet of the T adapter, and fix it with a blue clip. Take out the pipe again, cut the appropriate length, connect one end to the wastewater port, and fix it with a blue clip. Another end can directly leads to the sewer. Cut the appropriate length of pipe with cutter, connect one end to the outlet of the purified water, and take out the straight connector, and connect it to the bottom of the faucet. Another end of pipe is connected to straight connector, and fixed with a blue clip. Take out the pipe and cut the appropriate length. Connect one end to the pressure barrel interface, and another end to the pressure barrel ball valve, and fix it with a blue clip. Seventh step, water debugging. Take out the power adapter. Connect the power interface of the device. Plug in the power at the other end. Turn on the ball valve and the T adapter switch to make the machine pass water. Turn on the faucet and rinse the filter element for 10-15 minutes. PS, the first bucket of water in the pressure bucket. It is not recommended to drink. So far, FLN7 to 5G Taishan installation is done.